Good morning, Year 4. Today we're going to start a new topic and we're going to look at symmetry. So our destination is to find and draw lines of symmetry in 2D shapes. Our anchor task is to recall any facts we know already, and we have some key vocabulary in the middle of the flip chart. So pause the video and tell me what you already know about symmetry. Okay then, so do these diagrams below represent lines of symmetry? So if we folded these shapes in half down the line that is shown, would they reflect each other? Would they be a mirror image of each other? So pause the video and you can number your shapes A, B, C and so on, and tell me which one does show a line of symmetry and which don't. Or if you can print this off, then you can tick next to the ones you think do show lines of symmetry. So pause the video now and have a think about if you folded along that line, if it would fold perfectly in half. Okay then. So this shape here, if we folded it in half, it does have a line of symmetry in the middle. And this square also, if we fold it diagonally, it would be a mirror image of each other, so it would fold perfectly. This one does not. Cutting this triangle at this point does not, because it is not halfway and it is not an equilateral triangle. This shape here is an equilateral triangle, so it does have a line of symmetry running through the middle. So does this kite. Here, our line of symmetry is not in the middle, so it is false, it is not a line of symmetry. And finally, this rectangle does. So the ones with the ticks are true lines of symmetry. Okay, so looking at symmetry, we have reflective symmetry, where there is one line running through an object to show two parts of a shape that are reflected, that they look the same as each other but opposite. Mirror image. So reflection symmetry is where one half of the image is the reflection of the other half. You can fold the image and have both halves match exactly. Two lines of symmetry run through some shapes. So we've got an oval here, a diamond and a rectangle. And these have two lines of symmetry, so they could be folded along either line and they would be mirror images, reflections. And some shapes even have infinite lines of symmetry, so never-ending amount of lines of symmetry. Okay, 3 or more lines. The line showing the reflection is called the line of symmetry. So have a look at these shapes here, and if you can, print them out and cut them out and start to fold the shapes and think about where the lines of symmetry are in each of these shapes. So I want you to investigate each of these shapes and find their lines of symmetry, and then when you have found one, you can draw a line. So for example, if you think there's a line of symmetry running through this shape, you can draw the line through this shape. So pause the video and have a go. If you don't have a printer, then you can just draw a few of them in your book and show me with a line where you think the lines of symmetry are. Okay then, we now have a very quick quiz. So what is a line of symmetry? There's 3 options. Think about which one you think is correct. Well done if you think it is B. What types of shapes have lines of symmetry? 2D, 3D or both 2D and 3D? It is A, well done. Which shape has 4 lines of symmetry? A square, a rectangle or a parallelogram? It's a square, A. Which shape has 2 lines of symmetry? Equilateral triangle, circle or rectangle? It is a rectangle. Which shape has 3 lines of symmetry? A scalene triangle, an equilateral triangle, or an isosceles triangle? It is an equilateral triangle because everything is equal. It has 3 equal sides. And finally, which shape has an infinite number of lines of symmetry? A circle, a rectangle, or a scalene triangle? It is a circle. Well done if you got all of those correct. So today for silver you are completing questions 1 through to 3. Gold, questions 4 onwards. And for platinum, you have two problem solving questions to have a go at here.